The aging narcissist is someone who has a number of needs, outrageous needs. Understand that they are a bottomless pit of needing reassurance, security, finances, someone to handle the problems. The aging ones often have health difficulties that they will keep secret from you, hoover you back into a relationship only to burden you with serious physical responsibilities, emotional responsibilities, and financial burdens. They know full well that they have something, trigger warning, with a very negative outcome. They've been told they've got muscular dystrophy or dementia, cancer, all kinds of things that are going to get worse in time. Understand that the older they get, the more bitter they are, the more petty, the more racist, the more undependable, just downright evil. The spiritual ones will beat you up with the Bible, misquoting it, partial quoting it, playing on your abilities as a believer to be kind, caring, empathetic, and most of all, forgiving. So many are serial cheaters. Nothing has changed. Just because he or she is 59 or 68, please understand they're still having the same proclivities. Many are down low and you just don't know it. They're looking for someone to handle their problems, support their needs, reassure them of their insecurities and abandonment issues, be their emotional punching bag, sounding board, dumping ground, emotional whipping boy or girl. And sometimes that whipping is physical. An aging narcissist is something to be avoided, something to stay away from, something to escape from. And why do I say something, not someone? Because they're not human like the rest of us. Many of them have demonic qualities that are just out of this world. Unbelievable unless you have seen it for yourself. The black eyes, the shape shifting, the facial changes, the strange voices. They can't sleep good. They can't stand your ability to be happy. And they hate you for your kindness and for the positive qualities that you have. If you've been with an aging narcissist, and it's been decades now or many years, it is not going to get any better. Look to find peace. Contact the Domestic Violence Hotline, 1-800-799-7233. Domestic violence is much more than hitting. It's coercive control, emotional abuse, financial abuse, sexual withholding, spiritual abuse. Save yourself. Spend your golden years healing, happier, and whole. I'm a life coach. Let me help you escape, heal, understand what you're dealing with. I escaped at 64 years and 51 weeks old. Now I'm living such a better life. I have joy and peace again. You can too.